Let me show you how to make everything larger on any Samsung Galaxy S10 series tablet, so on any of these models. So I will show you basically for the icons, all the text, all the menus, maybe some web page, and pretty much everything. So there are a few different things that you can do. First, for example, if you want to increase the size of these icons, so they're actually very tiny, you can simply swipe up on your tablet, and once you see this, click these three dots here. Click settings, and you can, for example, increase the app size, so they're actually slightly larger. Still, the increase is only marginal, but yeah, better than nothing. Then in the settings, so if you go in the display settings over here, you see we have various options here. The most useful, the quickest, if you simply click on the screen zoom, you can actually increase everything basically much larger on this tablet, for example, so just whatever you need. Okay, so let's, for example, set this, and then also let's go a bit back. So again, also in the font size and style, I see you can also increase, for example, the font, just whatever you need. Also, you can make it bold here as well, to make it even more visible. For example, let's check how it looks like now. For example, in some news, so you see this is way better visible. Also more punchier, so again it changes the text, for example, in pretty much everywhere. So absolutely awesome. And also so let's see where we had it. Also in the accessibility settings as well, we can actually even increase further as well. So vision enhancements over here, and you see you can click this button here, enlarge display. So it will even increase further, so extra as well. And you can also get various other things here. So you see how absolutely massive this thing is now. Yep, okay,